In today's video, we're taking a look at how to install a light switch guard cover, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do everything that we use on the video. We're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and you're tired of letting everybody know on the household not to flip that switch. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. A bus ride away, but a back is a back. And in today's video, we're going to show two different switch cover guards, a super simple one to install and another one that's easy to install, but it would give you a chance to show your beautiful strong muscles. Always remember that safety is the #1 thing. The last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to die. So taking the extra precautionary step of turning off the circuit breaker for that particular light switch is the way to go. So the first switch cover guard that we're going to show is the one that needs a bit of installation. What we do in this case is remove the 2 screws that hold the plate cover in place. And in your case, you might have flathead screws or Phillips screws. No matter which you have, the technique will be the same. We'll use the ancient rule passed down generation to generation of lefty loosey, righty tighty. And because we want to live another day, what we're going to do is once we remove both screws, we still want to hold the face plate in place. Meanwhile, we get our switch cover guard and align both the holes on the cover guard and the holes on the face plate. And once aligned, we should be able to insert the screws back in place. And remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And the pro tip, once you feel it tight, that's good enough. Everything being plastic, the last thing you want is for it to crack. When installing the cover, you always want to make sure that the tab is placed on the top side. And as you can see, it's a pressure tab at the top that once you press down, it would release the death grip on the cover and by way of gravity fall down, leaving access to the switch. And to close the cover, the only thing that you have to do is just press it back, and by pressure, the tab should automatically insert back in place. So let's say your beautiful strong muscles are on rest day today, then a simple, less permanent solution, it's a magnetic switch cover guard. And the good thing about this particular one is that there's no installation required because of the magnets on the cover are placed on the standard location for the faceplate for the switch. They will align with the screws of your already installed switch plate cover. Now, once again, you have regained the kingdom. You have taken control of all the switches on your household. What originally took 0.0001 second to press now takes 0.0002 seconds to press. You've done it, grasshopper. We believe in you. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.